Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we will learn how to add money to your Pandabuy balance. Let's get started. So you'll just need to begin by opening your Pandabuy account and by logging in. Now, once you're already logged in, you'll just need to head here onto the right side, go to your profile, click onto it, and you should be able to see the user center option. So you'll just have to click onto that. Once you're already in here, you'll need to navigate to the wallet in here. So you'll have to click onto that, and once you're already onto the wallet, you're gonna go ahead and see the top up option. So you'll just have to click onto that, and then right after you need to enter the amount in here that you want to add. So for example, if you want to add 500, just type it in there and then type in the amount, and you'll just have to click on to confirm. So after clicking on to confirm in there, you'll have the option to select your preferred payment method. You can choose from options such as PayPal, credit card, and others. So right after that, you'll just need to note that there may be a handling fee as shown during the payment process. Make sure to add this fee to the amount you want to add. So for example, if the handle fee is 3.19, you should add it already onto your entered amount. And that's it. You've successfully added your money to your Pandabuy balance. We hope this guide has been helpful, and if you found it useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.